This video is going to be about electricity and magnetism and the connections between them. We'll look at electric fields and currents. We'll look at magnetic fields and electromagnets. We'll see what magnetic force does with electric charges, and we'll talk about electromagnetism. Electrical charge is one of the fundamental properties of matter. Electrons and protons and other particles have positive or negative electrical charges. Electrical fields surround all charged particles. When electrical charges are flowing, maybe through a wire, we call that an electric current. Electric currents cause magnetic fields to form around the moving electrical charges. Electromagnets are a practical use of electrical currents creating magnetic fields. An electromagnet can be very simple, like a wire wrapped around a nail and attached to a battery, or it can be very large and powerful, like the giant magnets that are used to move scrap metal around. Electromagnets are the fundamental principle that makes electric motors work. When a magnetic field moves, it can cause electric currents because it puts a force onto the electric charges and makes them move. This is how electrical generators work. They spin a wire in a magnetic field, and the magnetic field causes an electrical current in the wire and creates electricity. You've probably noticed there's a close connection between electricity and magnetism, since electrical currents can cause magnetic fields, and magnetic fields can cause electrical currents. They are very closely connected because electricity and magnetism are both different aspects of the electromagnetic force, which is one of the four fundamental forces that controls all interactions in the universe. In this video, we've looked at how electrical fields surround all electrical charges, and an electrical current happens when those electrical charges are flowing through a wire or another conductor. We saw that electric currents create magnetic fields, and those magnetic fields can be used as electromagnets. We talked about how moving a magnetic field creates forces on electrical charges, and how that force from a moving magnetic field can actually create an electric current as it pushes on the electric charges and makes them flow through a conductor. Electricity and magnetism are both aspects of the electromagnetic force, one of the four fundamental forces in the universe.